So we are given this simultaneous equation. We have different type of equations. We have linear equation. Linear equation is any equation that is on a straight line. We have quadratic, we have cubic, we have polynomial, all those. We will still talk about it on this channel. So but this with the moment we are dealing with two set of linear equation, it is telling us that we are dealing with a simultaneous equation. So now let's check. We have this as our equation 1, we have this as our equation 2. In equation 2, make x solve the formula. Now if we make x solve the formula, we are going to have 3 minus y. So from this place, substitute this value into this given expression, that is our equation 1. So if we substitution simply means we are going to put this value. X is equal to a certain expression here. So we are going to put this expression in place of x in our equation 1. So we have 6, and this is x. We are going to have 3 minus y plus 6 raised to the power y is equal to 42. Now from this place, don't forget properties of indices. Whenever you are having subtraction as your power, what are we going to have? It simply means let's split this. So we have 6 raised to the power 3 divided by 6 raised to the power y plus 6 raised to the power y is equal to 42. So we have 6 raised to the power 3, that is 216. So we have 216 divided by 6 raised to the power y plus 6 raised to the power y is equal to 42. Multiply throughout by 6 raised to the power y. So if you multiply, what are we going to have? We have 6 raised to the power y into 216 divided by 6 raised to the power y plus 6 raised to the power y multiplied by 6 raised to the power y is equal to 42 multiplied by 6 raised to the power y. So this we cancel this. We have 216 plus 6 raised to the power y, 6 raised to the power y is going to give us 6 raised to the power y then all squared. So we have 6 raised to the power y all squared is equal to 42 then 6 raised to the power y. Now in this place, you're supposed to ask me that why can't we multiply 42 multiplied by 6 direct in this form? We cannot multiply because we are having y as a power of 6, and here we are having 1 as a power of 42. So we cannot easily multiply it like that. Now what are we now going to do? We are having 6 raised to the power y here. We are having 6 raised to the power y here. Let 6 raised to the power y be a certain variable. Let's call it a. We have 216 plus this 6 raised to the power y squared, that is going to give us a squared is equal to 42, then 6 raised to the power y will give us a. Are you getting it now? So it now leads us to quadratic equation. We have a squared minus 42a plus 216 is equal to 0. This is positive 42a. If we move it to this place, it's going to turn to negative. And we have positive 216 here. That is why we still have it in this place. What are those two numbers? If we multiply it, we are going to have 216. And if we add them together, we are going to have negative 42. It's going to be negative 36 and negative 6 for us to have negative 42. And if we multiply it together, negative 36 multiplied by negative 6 is going to give us positive 216. So we are going to go with this. From this place, we have a squared minus 36a then minus 6a plus 216 is equal to 0. From this place, group this into two different parts. So we have a into a minus 36 minus 6 into a minus 36 is equal to 0. So therefore, a minus 36 is equal to 0. From this place, what are we going to have? We have a minus 6 is equal to 0, or a minus 36 is equal to 0. So therefore, our a is 6 or our a is 36. So from this place, don't forget, we said that let 6 raised to the power y be equals to a. So from this place, since a is equals to 6 raised to the power y, when a is 6, what are we going to have? We have 6 is equals to 6 raised to the power y, and this is raised to power 1 whenever you are having a number. So from this place, the base are equal, equate the power. Are you with me? So we are going to have 1 there. When a is 6, our y is 1. Let's check the second one. When a is equals to 36, what are we going to have? That is 36 is equals to 6 raised to power y. So we have 6 squared is equals to 6 raised to power y, which simply means 2 is equals to y. So that means we have 2 values for y. So therefore, our y is equals to 1 and 2. Now, we are now going to substitute this value for y that we have gotten. We are now going to substitute it back to this place. So therefore, for us to get x, since x is equals to 3 minus y. So when y is 1, our x will be 3 minus 1, which is equals to 2. When y is 2, our x will be 3 minus 2, which is equals to 1. So therefore, our value, which is now going to be in form of x, y, will now be 2 different numbers. This is 1. When y is 1, our x is 2. So an x always comes before y. So you are going to put 2, 1, or the next one, which is when x is 1, y is 2. So we have 1, 2. So that is our final answer. If you have any question on that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you very much.